It's a yes or no question, sir. Wow,
You don't even know?
You're looking for your lawyers? Wow.
I invoke my right of self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ano? Can you repeat your answer?
Wow.
Can you repeat your answer, Mr. Arevalo?
I invoke my right for self-incrimination, Your Honor.
My God, the question of the majority floor leader is very simple. It's very simple. Do you have any ghost project in any of the areas here in the Philippines? Answer.
Dahil may mga kasabay po na kakasuhan yung mga contractor ng DPWH po. At parte ng ulat ng Senado na mag-rekomenda ng paghahain ng kaso laban sa resource person, ang payo ng aking mga abogado ay huwag magsalita sa panahon na ito dahil anumang pahayag po sa isiyasa.
Sino nag utos sa'yo na huwag magsalita?